Today we're going to show you how to create a matrix chart. A matrix chart splits information across rows and columns in a grid format to reflect the data for values in the selected field. It is a powerful comparative tool which provides a quick glance at trends over time by summarizing a situation. Matrix charts are a great way to identify patterns in your data quickly. By comparing the size or frequency of chart segments, you can immediately determine which data values are the most important, surprising, or in need of attention. Based on these evaluations, you can investigate the circumstances affecting the outcomes that are reflected in the data to discover their root causes. This comparison can be facilitated by looking at multiple charts at the same time, so you can identify any differences between them. These differences can reveal the variables affecting that data. You can make a matrix chart from most chart types, including bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and scatter plots. Exceptions include maps, 3D charts, and some of the special and HTML5 chart types, such as funnel charts, tree maps, or tag clouds. Begin by creating a single chart. The rows and columns that you populate to create the matrix categorize this chart. Once you've created your base chart, choose the fields that you want to use for the matrix rows and columns. These fields can include those that are already used in the chart, but repetition of information may occur. To add matrix rows, drag a field into the rows field container. Each value in that field becomes a row in the matrix, and your chart refreshes to include each of those values. To add matrix columns, drag a field into the columns field container. A matrix chart can have both rows and columns, or just one or the other. However, a true matrix chart requires both for cross-comparison to occur. A version of your chart will be created for each intersection. For example, if you have matrix rows for customer country and columns for sale year, the point where the 2012 column and Australia row intersect shows sales to Australian customers in 2012. Intersections containing no data appear blank. In this example, there were no sales to Argentinian, Australian, or Austrian customers in 2011. A quick glance suggests that Australian customers tended to buy more media players in 2012, but preferred stereo systems from 2013 onward. Try different options to see what setup is best for you. For example, switch from pie charts to bar charts to view the totals for your data instead of just the proportions. You can also add complexity to the matrix by adding multiple fields to the matrix field containers. For example, you can drag sale quarter under sale year in the columns field container to see charts for each quarter of each year. If you'd like to find out more, check the resources available in our Information Center.